What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. They're just working on something outside, so you may hear a little bit of banging. We're looking for an ABC correction as a more probable scenario in the Discord and in the videos, and that's currently what's playing out. Sitting at 0.0244, down 4.7 on the day. See, market 525 million. 24-hour volume, 46 million. Hey, if you get any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. All right, guys, so we're going to look at the chart here, and I do think we're now going through the wave C, and within the wave C are 5 waves. So you came down to wave 1, wave 2, potentially come down to 3, 4, 5 to complete the wave C, and potentially complete this pullback in between 0.0198 and 0.022 in a wave 2 before seeing continuation to the upside in a wave 3. So if we were to pull back, let's say we pull back to the golden ratio at 0.0213, take a trend base of extension, the bottom of wave 1 to the top, down to the 618, and your 1.618 target would be 0.0441. So basically you'd be looking at 4.5 cents, and from the 0.618, that would be a juicy increase of about 100%. So that's a potential target depending on how deeply we pull back in this correction. But it does look like we just put in a 3-wave move in a B, came up A, B, C, and now come down in a 5-wave move in a wave C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Complete the correction, continuation to the upside. That's what I think is probable. So far, it's looking pretty good. Daily chart, not much to update. EMAs are getting closer together. That's what we want to see. Wave 1 to the upside, pull back into 2, push up, bullish cross. See you later. Bottom in. Deep wave 2 to cause max fear before seeing continuation to the upside, in my opinion. All right, gang, that's it for this one. We are currently in a Gala trade. Recently locked in juicy gains on a Bitcoin long. Got out at the perfect time, 36% profit, only 2x leverage. If you want access to my signals, it's $10 a month. Make sure to sign up to one of the exchanges, Bitget or Bybit. Do the majority of my trading on Bitget. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email for an added bonus, special bonus for those who make their first deposit, and $10 a month for my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, forex signals and analysis as well. You really can't beat it. Same price as what do I want to say today? As no, steaks, much more expensive. As some chicken breasts at the store, maybe. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Smash that like button. All links in the comments. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.